Hey guys, like, what are you, a Muppet? Look at this foolishness. Like, what is he doing? What are you doing?
I'm dropping my socks on, yo.
Okay, we finna do this real quick.
Alright.
Hey guys, it's All That Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. We are on the road to 1K, and so go ahead and subscribe today. 1K.
Is that K?
Wait, what's K?
Come on, you used to be in gangs. What?
I was not in gangs, and that's the stuff. Anyway,
you went to Shiloh.
And you went to Shiloh. Which one was worse?
You was over there like a old girl from the Steve Harvey show.
No, y'all school was getting shot up every other weekend, wasn't it? Every month?
No, what was shooting at our school?
Y'all
don't even have service at y'all school, so if anything happened at y'all school, it's over with.
We are cooking our HelloFresh meal that we had received. So we're gonna see how that turns out and give y'all a good review.
Eat that wonton soup.
So like
you know how I do.
So like I said, we're making the sweet chili pork bowl, but we got beef instead. And so I cut up all the ingredients that's necessary for that. He over here finna tear up the plate, cutting up the salad.
Mama.
Did some romaine, and then it came with 2 bags of chips, y'all. So we definitely gonna have to get more. But yeah, so got the rice boiling. We cooking salad, sweet chili beef bowls instead of pork. And what's that? This is the south of the border taco salad. So that's what we making. Is how we prevent crying from onions, because the paper towel trick only works sometimes.
This is also how you prevent from getting caught while robbing somebody.
Wow, great. Let's get into this video. All right, y'all, we just wanted to recap the HelloFresh. So the food was really good.
Yeah, I did a good job cooking that mud.
Yeah, we did a good job. We did a good job. Okay. And it was delicious. It definitely was giving healthy vibes, definitely. I would say the pros was at first, the shipping. It came in the evening on like a Monday.
Monday.
The first time was a Monday. So we like put everything in the fridge, you know, everything. We cooked that like 3 or 4 days later. And the food was still fresh. I love the ground beef was super like healthy ground beef, like nice. And the produce was good. Nothing came in there bad or damaged or smelling or anything like that. So that was the freshness of it. But go ahead and tell them about the cons.
The cons. We didn't get a box, yo.
We ordered like a box, and they didn't bring it to. They never brought the box. We were supposed to get it on a Friday, and they never brought it. And then we called this customer service, and she was cool or whatever, and she like, you know, we were like, just refund us, like don't even credit it to us our account, because we're gonna have to wait. But then we looked for other services like Blue Apron, too expensive. We low-key didn't like it, and it upset us, but at the same time it was about to help us on the healthy path. Like, not that we can't eat healthy without it, but it's just so easy. Like, the meals in your fridge, make it out. To make the meal was simple. It wasn't that hard. Yeah. And it was just giving very much like, okay, we finna get fit. And then they ruined it and was like, oh, we missed a week. Okay,
and then we gotta wait a whole
2 weeks.
2 weeks for another box.
So
look here, HelloFresh. Let me tell you something.
Not let me tell you.
See, don't make us go out and buy some bots and go all on Yelp reviews and go all these review sites and trash y'all. You know, get your average down to 3 stars. Don't make us do it.
I'm so dead. But
I will buy some bots.
Are we gonna do it again? That's the question.
Yeah, we'll give it one more chance because Blue Apron too expensive.
Exactly.
you know.
And also I feel like the price, let's talk about the price real quick. The price for HelloFresh is not too bad as of like when you have a 5 family household. Yeah, in the beginning they give you like 16 free meals, so it's okay to try. But even after that, it's only like one something a week. In total, you're probably spending $400 or $500 if you have a family like ours a month. So to me, the price was like worth it. It's not like, and the food really did last like some days. So I think it's worth it. We got 4 servings, and for each meal they send you whatever double, you know. So I think the price is worth it. You would think it's more expensive, but it's not.
Yeah.
So that sums up. Anything else you wanted to add for HelloFresh?
With HelloFresh, I don't know how I mentioned this, but before we got married, I did eat HelloFresh for like a month, 2 months or something like that.
And it helped you, right?
And it helped me. I lost like 10 pounds. Yeah. Before our wedding.
Yeah.
You know, so it does help, and it does fill you up, because I wasn't even hungry past like 7 o'clock.
Yes, like it was so fulfilling.
Yeah.
Now we over here, you're trying to go back.
I know, right? We boosting them up. HelloFresh, look.
Just do us right.
Yeah, just do us right. We came back.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? We got our budget in order. Look, we put y'all in our budget. Just get us our box. You see what I'm saying? Why is our box missing? Right. It didn't even come late. It just didn't come at all.
At all. Like, whole box full of 4 meals. Like,
what? We over here waiting. I'm over here emailing people at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, bro.
Where my box
at, bro?
Yeah, usually they'll text you, right? They did that when you had it? They text you when you have vegetarian?
Yeah.
They text you and let you know, like, hey, somebody's going to be arriving with your box within this time frame. We never got that message.
Never got it.
Ever. So I'm like, hello, like, your girl want to cook.
Like, we got to cook, you know what I'm saying? My wife got to cook the food. You know, I'm hungry. I'm out on the road, or I want some HelloFresh when I get home. It's all good.
So we're going to try it again anyway.
I'm going to be on them
if y'all want another
box. Mess up y'all Yelp review.
Oh, my goodness. So, thanks for watching this video, and we will see you, or I will see you in the next one. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like.